The nib roller is one of the feeding systems which POLYSTAR provides as an optional device for recycling machines. It is designed specifically for feeding film rolls to improve efficiency. With the nib roller, multiple film rolls can be fed into the recycling machine at the same time, at a constant rate and efficiently. Moreover, operators simply place the entire film rolls on the platform instead of cutting the film off the cord to feed into the machine. They only replace empty cords, so they can focus on monitoring the machine's operation. For film roll recycling, our plastic recycling machines allow you to add the nib roller feeder as an additional device. If you would like to increase the productivity of film roll recycling, install one on your recycling machine.